Hello friends, we are going to start the construction of epicycloid, and here's the question. A circle of 50 mm diameter rolls on the circumference of another circle of 175 mm diameter, and outside it trace the locus of a point on the circumference of rolling circle for one complete revolution. Name the curve. So friends, the circle whose diameter is 50 mm is rolling on the circumference of another circle of diameter 175 mm. First we will determine the value of theta, and theta will be equals to 360 degree multiplied by radius of a smaller circle by radius of greater circle. So the value of theta will be equals to 102 degree 0.83 or 85 minutes something. Let's start the construction. First we will draw a horizontal line. Now draw a vertical line of any length. Vertical line. Now take an angle that will equals to theta by 2 from here. That is theta by 2. This point is O and this point is P. Now draw this line at an angle of theta. That line at an angle of theta. This is theta. This is O. This is P. Now draw an arc from here. Put needle of compass here. Take radius up to point P and draw this arc like this. Now draw a line. Continue this and extend it up to the radius of a smaller circle that will be equals to 25 mm. Now we will draw a circle with 12 equal parts, and the radius of that circle will be equals to 25 mm. That is, now we have to divide this arc into 12 equal parts. We have to divide this arc into 12 equal parts. So now most of the students face difficulty for dividing this arc into 12 equal parts. So here's the easiest way. Take the radius of the one of the part of the circle. So take radius from 2 dash to 3 dash and start cutting the arc from here. So if you have done accurately, precisely, then definitely your 6th arc will be cutted here and 12th will be here. This is the easiest way. Now what we will do, name these points like this up to 12 and join each and every point with this O and draw a line. For example, join 1 and O and draw a line. Join 2 and O and draw a line like this. Now put needle of compass at O, take the radius up to 11 dash and draw arc up to this last line like this. Again, needle of compass should be at A, take the radius up to 10 dash and draw an arc up to this last line. And this is very important arc. This is center arc. This arc will never cut neither on 3 dash not on 2 dash. So needle of compass should be at O, take the radius up to C and draw this arc. And here we have the consecutive center points. So this point is called C1. We will name it letter C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7 and so on. Now complete this process of drawing this arc. Now we will name the centers C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6 and so on. C12, the last one. Finally, we have to cut the arc for the profile of epicycloid. So take the radius of this circle, a smaller circle, and put needle of compass at C1 and cut arc on this first arc. So let's see. This is my compass and this is the first arc P1. From C1 to here, this length will be equals to radius of this circle and this point is called P1. Now draw another arc from C2 that will cut on this arc. Now repeat the process from C3, C4, C5 like this, from C3, then from C4, then C5, And we know that we have seen the construction of cycloid. From C6, the point, the arc will be here, the highest, C6, then C7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and finally C12. And join these points smoothly, and that will be the remaining curve that is called epicycloid. Thank you, friends.